Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to find the BARDS guitar and how to basically just complete the quest. So let's get straight into the video. So once you go ahead and get the quest, you want to make your way over to the cave. Now you're going to go ahead and go down the cave, and you are going to go ahead and make a left. Once you make a left, what you're going to do is you're going to look for this little grass patch right here. Go inside and you will be able to fall under, and now this is where the guitar is going to be, right on this ledge right here. You can go ahead and pick it up. Well, I didn't mean to talk to him. You can go ahead and pick it up, and then you guys can go ahead and climb the ladder back up, make your way out. It is a little bit hard to see sometimes. Not the first person. Alright, there we go. Anyways, go up. Now you're gonna go back to the Bard, and you guys should complete the quest, and he's gonna give you a key basically. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.